Decided it's time to do another bike check because I was riding this lovely beast over here, this Volume Bermuda V2. To me, just like the red Colony I have, too pretty to ride, and once it gets scratched up I just want to put it on the wall. So it's going on the wall. Other things I have for sale. This is pretty much brand new. Rode it one time. It does have the other hub guard. It's a Primo Freemix left-hand drive, not right. Has both hub guards, laced with brand new Odyssey chrome spokes to a G-Sport birdcage rim. Retails about $325 plus taxes, $280 for this whole wheel. Another thing for sale, Profile Elite limited edition water camo, hub set, have both of them. Both are laced with brand new Odyssey spokes to G-Sport bird cages as well. Rear one is a right-hand drive wheel with a peg adapter bolt. So if you don't have a peg, you'll have to get a regular bolt for the profile. This whole set, $550. If you just want the hubs, $380. I'm not budging on prices with those. I also have two frames. This first one right here is dented on the chainstays. It's a 21-inch top tube black-eyed Colorado with a KMZ Z chain or whatever these are called attached to it. The other one is a Total BMX Killer B. It's a 20.7 top tube, has major scratches, no dents or anything. Comes with a 19mm bottom bracket. So trades and welcome for offers on those. You can contact me on Instagram or comment on this video if you want to buy those. I am a legit seller. I'm also on Facebook under Amber Wiest, W-I-E-S-T. You can add me on there and I'll accept, and you can talk about offers, trades, but most likely Denver local only. I can ship, but it's with PayPal and tracking. So bike check like usual. Start at the top, ODI grips like I always ride, with some knockoff bar end that I have no idea what it is, and it's crap, so don't buy them. Even if it doesn't say anything on it, it's crap. I got these brand new Colony Sweet Tooth bars. Have to get credit to Alex Hyam because he is one of my favorite riders. Started riding kind of because of him. Cool part of these bars is they taper. They are 9.4 rise, 29 wide. Super badass. Just picked up this Odyssey Sexton stem today from Pusher Bike Shop in Denver. Beautiful stem. Threw in some red shadow hollow bolts, so it's a little bit lighter. I do run a huge stacked shadow headset. Unfortunately not stacked high enough for this frame. This is my custom painted Colony Sweet Tooth V4. You can tell it's a V4 because it's tapered here into a triangle. I still will never ride any other fork. Total BMX GS fork, Mark Webb signature. Will never ride any other fork, best fork ever. Still have a Profile Elite front hub with a Profile front hub guard in metal. Titanium spokes to a Colony Pinnacle rim, which don't even know if they make these rims anymore, actually. Something on here that says Colony. There you go. And then I also have Colony Plegs. So Colony, big part of my life. Cranks. These ones right here are fit indents. They're a 2-piece crank though, not 3-piece. 24mm bottom bracket and spindle. Demolition Trooper pedals. Best pedals I've ever rode, ever. The pins have never worn down and I've had them for about a year. And I do put my foot down when I pedal grind. And do any kind of grind, really, I put my foot down. Primo chain. Right here, a lot of people think Primo doesn't make a half link. They do. Best half link ever. This chain I've had for about 2 years and it has never broke. This Demolition sprocket You can see the logo right there. Demolition. Not sure which one it is, but it's spline drive 24mm. This is Dennis Anderson's actual seat. He left it at Pusher Bike Shop. I now have it with an Odyssey tripod seat post. So this is actually off his bike. And I'll show you the other side why these are two-piece. There is no bolt here. They're two-piece because they are 165 length. I don't like riding cranks now over 170 in length. Colony back hub peg, and Colony Pinnacle back rim with a G Sport hub guard. Got this Shadow Strata tire, the newer one. This is the V2, I believe. I do run it backwards, so people always say your tire's backwards. I do it for a reason, because it gives me more grip. I don't care what other people think, it does give me more grip, so I like to run all my tires backwards, doesn't matter what tire it is. Titanium spokes, Colony rim, Profile Elite. This one's left-hand drive. If anybody has never heard what an Elite sounds like, here you go. Sounds like a swarm of bees, which is exactly why I ride it, and I like how it has 206 points of engagement and 6 pawls. So this would be my complete bike right now, and it is dialed. There is no sound, no chain clank, any of that. All that's tight. If you have any questions, like I said, comment, post, find me on Instagram. Link will be in the bio of this video. Only last thing I forgot was this Odyssey Hawk tire with big logo. I don't know if they make that tire anymore. If they did, I would have the rear, but unfortunately I can't find another one. So this is my bike, and if you're interested in any parts, like these wheel sets or frames or anything like that, always make sure to wear a helmet, kids. Look out for some new videos too before like pretty much autumn ends, because I will be getting knee surgery and I will be out. Peace out, guys.